Hey y'all, and welcome to a new Draw With Me video. So the idea behind these videos is for you to follow along, or you can just enjoy the vibes. So the theme behind today's Draw With Me video is starting out with something familiar to help get us started when we don't know where to start. So a lot of the times when I find myself in a creative rut and I'm not quite sure what to draw next, what I'll do is I'll start out with a familiar shape, like a heart. From that simple shape, I started to think of, oh, well, I could put a flower here and maybe some sprouts there, and I could really have all this plant life overtake this heart shape. Sometimes it's good to start out with something that you've done hundreds of times before, a shape or a form that you've drawn many, many times, and then letting that kind of prime your creative pump and letting that take you somewhere, kind of help lift you up and lift your creativity off the ground. You are allowed to draw something that you've drawn hundreds of times before, to let that be your uplifting moment for your creativity. So, all right, I am going to let y'all enjoy the vibes of this video, and I'll chime in later on. Enjoy. So I hope you are having fun with this Draw With Me video. We're coming towards the end here. All's left to do is sign our work and appreciate. I hope you had a wonderful time drawing with me and giving yourself permission to draw the familiar. Thank you so much for joining me. And I wanted to let you all know that I am on Patreon at Ink and Hatch. And if you already are a Patreon subscriber, thank you so much for supporting these videos. It really goes a long way to help making sure that I can make more of these. So until next time, cheers!